Hi there. For today's read aloud activity, we are going to be using these same images from Monday. On Monday's activity, you put these images in order from first, next, then last on how do you make a PB&J sandwich. Well, today I already have these images in order correctly for you. So first, you have your ingredients. Next, you put jelly on a slice of bread. Then you spread peanut butter on the other slice of bread. Last, put your sandwich together and eat it and enjoy. Okay, so what we're going to do is I already have this in order for you, and I have the words underneath each image. What I'd like for you to do is get out your journal and a pencil, and you're going to use these images and these words to put them in your journal. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and pause the video and get that ready for you. All right, here's our journal. Please notice I wrote today's date really small. And I want you to write the date really small here in a bit. 2-10-21. Okay, so what I'd like for you to do is split up your paper, the top of it, like this. If you need to, go ahead and pause the video. Then what I'd like for you to do is put an F for first, N for next, T for then, and L for last. Now, I'd like for you to copy this, okay? What I'd like you to do next is go ahead and look at those images and draw what you do first, next, then last. And then I want you to finish writing the word for first, finish writing the word for next, finish writing the word for then, and finish writing the word for last, okay? So again, you're going to split up your journal, F, N, T, L. Draw what you do first when you're making peanut butter and jelly sandwich, next, then, and last. And I want you to write the whole word right here. I just wrote the first letter to give you some help. Now, if you want to challenge yourself and if you have time, tell me what you do first, next, then, last in words. Okay? All right, I hope you have fun doing this little activity.